Say yeah, thank you, Lord. I just want to thank you, Lord. I want to say it one more time. You've been so good. You've been so good. Lord, you've been so good. I just want to thank you, Lord. You've been my friend. Yo, I'm sorry, I haven't been to church in a long time. You've been my friend. Lord, you've been my friend. Oh, I just want to thank y'all. I'm happy. You, Lord. When I couldn't see my way, when I thought there was no way, He made. Oh, Lord, you made a way. You made a way. You made. Lift your hand right now and say, I just want to thank you, Lord. When everybody walked off and left me, you've been you've been my friend. You've been my friend. All over the world, lift your hand and say, you've been, Lord, you've been a friend. I just want to thank you, Lord. I just want to thank you, Lord. I just want to thank all over the world. Lift your hand right now. I just want to thank. I'm thinking about it. Millions didn't make it, but we did. Y'all, I feel my help. You, Lord. Millions didn't make it, but we did. I just want to thank you, Lord. Sometime I didn't know how I was gonna make it. You made a way. I just want to thank good God. When my mama couldn't do it, you did.